Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best bench grinder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best bench grinder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Dewalt bench grinder. The Dewalt DW756 6-inch bench grinder is an excellent choice for both amateur handymen and tradespeople who require a machine capable of heavy lifting. This grinder, available in the classic Dewalt yellow, will look great on just about anyone's tool bench. It can be used to smooth metal edges, grind away rust or grime, sharpen tools, and even smooth or buff wood. The Dewalt DW756 grinder is simple to use and install. This 15-inch long machine has a 5/8 horsepower motor, which is quite powerful for such a small machine. For high-speed needs, it can reach 3,450 revolutions per minute. The tool rests are made of aluminum, while the motor housing and base are made of industrial cast iron. The wheels have exhaust ports in the rear of their guards to prevent overheating, and there are 12.5 inches between them for a less cluttered feel. Eye shields, spark deflectors, and 36 and 60 grit grinding wheels are included with this grinder. The entire thing weighs slightly more than 28 pounds. Built to perform in garages, at workshops, or on factory floors, this 6 inches bench grinder is the ultimate tool for sharpening, deburring, rust removal, shaping, and buffing. Our second best bench grinder is an 8-inch bench grinder. While faster speeds are ideal for grinding and deburring, a slower speed bench grinder is ideal for sharpening. So, if you primarily need to sharpen knives, scissors, gardening tools, and other bladed devices, the WEN 42868 8-inch slow-speed bench grinder is an excellent choice. With a whisper quiet 3-amp motor, the tool has plenty of power. The maximum speed is 1,750 revolutions per minute, which provides much more control than is typically found with faster bench grinders. Eye guards are mounted on each of the 8-inch wheels, but as with any power tool, particularly one that generates a lot of fine, flying dust and particles, such as a bench grinder, additional eye protection is required. Low speed provides maximum precision with minimal heat to your workpiece. Includes one general 60 grit wheel, one fine finish 120 grit wheel, pivoting tool rests, sturdy base with pre-drilled mounting holes, and adjustable eye guards. Third pick in our list is Bucktool 8-inch bench grinder. The Bucktool bench grinder is a good tool for both stability and power, but it makes the list because it has a slow and high speed feature that gives the user much more control over the grinding process. The majority of the time, grinding is about removing as much material as possible as quickly as possible. However, there are times when precision is required, and the Bucktool is the tool for the job. Give the Bucktool bench grinder a look if you anticipate needing more versatility than a simple 1-speed grinder can provide. It's a half a horsepower dual-speed induction motor with smooth performance and steady torque at both low and high speed. Slow speed is ideal for sharpening edges of woodworking tools, high speed is ideal for quick metal removal. Includes 80 grit and 120 grit white aluminum oxide wool which can reduce heat buildup. 2 pieces of cast aluminum tool rests can independently adjustable to compensate for wheel wear and to achieve different angles. Sturdy cast iron base with mounting holes prevents wobbling and walking. A buffing wheel is provided for multi-purpose polishing. It can be also installed with 8-inch by 5/8 inch wide by 5/8 inch shaft size brush wheel. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Dewalt 8-inch bench grinder. From performance to design, Dewalt delivers with one of the best bench grinders in its price range. With 3/4 horsepower and 3,600 RPM, this 8-inch machine will provide you with the power you need to grind quickly, efficiently, and safely. The sturdy base provides excellent stability and, as long as it is placed on a clean, flat surface, no vibration. The motor, while powerful, is not overly loud, and the 2 wheels that come with the unit do an excellent job grinding right away. The tool rest is fully adjustable, allowing for precise positioning and control. The Dewalt 8-inch bench grinder is powerful, dependable, and versatile, making it ideal for both home and professional use. Rugged cast iron base and motor housing of the 8-inch bench grinder provide durability and prolonged life. Table grinder motor runs at 3,600 revolutions per minute for high-speed material removal. Precision machined aluminum tool rests allow the user to accurately position work. Rear exhaust ports and wheel guards for smoother operation. Last in our best bench grinder list is WEN 6-inch bench grinder. The WEN 42756 6-inch bench grinder is a great value pick because it is popular, simple, and inexpensive. The WEN grinder is an excellent high-speed option for anyone looking for a quiet and compact bench grinder that can do the job. It has a 2.1 amp motor and a top speed of 3,450 revolutions per minute. It can accommodate grinding wheels with a diameter of 6 inches and a width of 3/4 inches. It has an extra large eye shield and significant wheel guards for added safety and worry-free operation. The WEN 4276 comes standard with 60 grit and 36 grit grinding wheels for general purpose and faster grinding, but it can be outfitted with a variety of wheels. It also has a flexible work light for easy and precise work at any time. With a wide and sturdy base, the machine is simple to install, and WEN sells an optional cast iron stand for non-bench use. For details, let's watch more.